If Microsoft Edge is not opening on your computer, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix step by step. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it happens because Edge is stuck running in the background or needs a repair from Control Panel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to force close Edge and repair it so you can get it opening normally again. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simplified view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and background processes. Now look through the list for Microsoft Edge. You may see it under Apps, or you may see several Edge processes running in the background. Click on Microsoft Edge to highlight it, and then click End Task in the bottom right corner. This force closes Edge completely, which can help if the browser is frozen, stuck, or refusing to launch properly. If you see more than one Edge-related process, it's a good idea to end those too, because sometimes one stuck background process is enough to prevent the browser from opening. Once you've ended the task, wait a few seconds and try opening Microsoft Edge again. If it still won't open, the next step is to repair the app from Control Panel. To do that, open Control Panel from the Start menu or search bar. Once Control Panel opens, go to Programs and then click Programs and Features. From the list of installed programs, find Microsoft Edge. Right-click Microsoft Edge and choose Change. This will bring up the repair options for Edge. Depending on your version of Windows, you may see a repair window or an option to modify the installation. If you do, select the repair option and follow the prompts on screen. Let Windows complete the process because this can fix corrupted files or damaged settings that are stopping Edge from opening. After the repair finishes, restart your computer to make sure all the changes are applied properly. Then try launching Microsoft Edge one more time. In many cases, this simple combination of ending the task and repairing the app is enough to solve the problem completely. If Edge still gives you trouble, you may also want to check for Windows updates, make sure your internet connection is working, and restart your device after any changes. But for most users, the steps in this video should get Microsoft Edge opening again without much effort. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy fixes and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.